What am I supposed to say? Hi, I'm Rob, Phoebe's boyfriend. Well, fiance. And yes, I do look like a nerd. Well, I am one anyway. I'm her dumbass.
And my eye is really fucked up. And it's raining.
And that light is very bright.
And it's raining and you can see clouds.
Show where it's like really dark. The geese. You're bright.
Where is it? Better?
Yeah.
I did that on his neck.
She also dyed my hair where I look like Chucky.
Oh, that's the new one. I did that one today. That one's from like last week or something. And that one.
And yes, I got hurt.
And his tattoo with my name.
My nipple ring that